Did you know that script writing is important to all your videos? Your script can be the difference between how to keep your audience glued all the way through your video or having them click away from it. And please know that script writing is not just for big content creators or big budget filmmakers or even Hollywood blockbusters. Every content creator needs a solid script. Why? Because your script is the engine behind an engaging message that you want to give to your viewers. It's what keeps your viewers watching, clicking, and coming back for more. Whether you're creating a YouTube tutorial, a TikTok reel, or even a simple product review, a well written script helps you stay focused, deliver value, and it hooks your audience in those crucial first few seconds. Without it, you risk rambling on, losing viewers, losing concentration, and missing the whole point. But here's the good news: you don't need to be a professional scriptwriter to craft a powerful script that gets results. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I used a prompt from ChatGPT to help me write a 5-minute script. Then I'm going to take you over to VidIQ, where VidIQ has this new script writing feature, and I am going to use the same prompt and to see which one came out the best. I've already used both platforms, so I kind of know what to expect for the most part. But I would love you to see how it all works and then get your input. So let's dive in. All right, so here we are on the ChatGPT platform. I already went ahead for the sake of time to create a prompt and to ask ChatGPT to write me a please write me a 5-minute script for a video on how to write a successful script that hooks your audience in the first 30 seconds and how to add hooks and loops throughout the video for a smooth transition and engaging message. Please add enough value to the script to make the video worthwhile watching. And this is what ChatGPT came up with. Hold on a second. Let me. It says absolutely, Cheryl. Yeah, ChatGPT knows me by name. I told you. Here is a 5-minute teleprompter ready script for your video title. It even gave me a title. I didn't even ask for that. How to write a script that hooks viewers in the first 30 seconds and keeps them watching. I think it's too long, so I would use vidIQ's generator feature to get the best title and to get a score because it gives you a score from 0 to 100%. All right, so it starts out with a hook. That's what I asked for. Did you know that if you don't hook your viewers in the first 30 seconds, they're probably gone forever? That's not me being dramatic. That's how today's attention span works. But don't panic because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write a video script that grabs attention right away and keeps your viewers watching until the very end. Whether you are creating content for YouTube, social media, or your brand, this script strategy can skyrocket your watch time and retention. And then it goes down with step one to show you the first thing to do, the power of the first 30 seconds. And then it tells you 3 types of proven hooks. I think I'm going to use this script for another video. How about that? And then step two is building a flow with hooks and loops. Once you've got the hook, the rest of your script needs structure. Not just rambling information, but a guided experience. This is where loops come in. A loop is when you tease something early in the video and close that loop later on. It keeps people watching. All right, and it shows you how to use them. Okay, and then step three, structure your script for engagement. It tells you about the first 30 seconds hook, value promise, main points, loops, callbacks, call to action. It gives you an example, and then you wrap it up with a call to action. You recap, and if you have a product, this is where you would talk about it, and maybe a free download, a free template, and then you'd ask them to subscribe and hit the notification bell and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do next, I hope I didn't go too fast, but you get the idea. And I'm going to use the script. I'm going to lengthen it to maybe 8 minutes and just use it to do a video and maybe do some tweaks. Okay, so let's move on to vidIQ, and we're going to use the same prompt and see what vidIQ comes up with. I kind of have an idea, but let's go. Finally, now we're on the vidIQ platform. So to get to this area right here, you click on create and then click on script writer. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this prompt that I used on ChatGPT into this box right here. Yes, it's the same. It's the same exact same thing. And it has 10 minutes here as the default, but I'm going to change it to 5 minutes. It goes up to 30 minutes long. You can get a script for 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. But let's change it to 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to click on create and see what it comes up with. It does take a little time. It's finished scanning the input. So let's see. Is your target audience beginner, YouTube creators, experienced video producers, or a mix? This will help tailor the scripts, depth, and examples. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use mix. It's a mix. You know what? Let me change it to beginner. Let's change it to beginner because I don't want the script to be too complex. So let's change to beginner because vidIQ can do that. It's not conversational, or maybe I have to be specific sometimes, or you have to be specific sometimes to tell it, okay, you want it conversational, you want it so that a ninth grader could understand it, and so on and so forth. Or else it will get too technical. You know what I mean? So it doesn't flow as the one on ChatGPT. All right, so it gives me three options to choose a concept that I like. The first one is you're tired of viewers dropping off your videos almost immediately. In this video, we'll reveal the simple script writing secrets to grab attention. The second one is you spend hours creating content, but your audience leaves within seconds. We'll expose the common mistakes beginner YouTubers make and show you how to fix them. With powerful hooks and engaging loops. What if one simple change to the first 30 seconds of your script could skyrocket your watch time? We'll break down the ultimate hooking technique that transforms casual viewers into dedicated subscribers. So I'm going to use this one. So let's see what it comes up with. It's reverse engineering a winning format. That's what it's telling me right here. Selecting the perfect narrative arc. You see what I'm talking about technical? It can get a little technical. It's matching frameworks to your niche. But I guess vidIQ is telling me that they know what they're doing. It's aligning structure with audience psychology. So it's doing its thing in the background. It's matching frameworks to your niche. I like that. It's telling you exactly what it's doing. And vidIQ really knows about how to construct and dissect a video and its pacing and its flow. It's stitching together the scenes. You see what I'm talking about? This is amazing. You don't have to worry about creating a script on your own. You have the tools that you can use. Now it's spinning up version 1. It's lightning fast fact check in progress. So it's doing its fact check. Because sometimes I notice that vidIQ will give you facts to prove that they know what I'm talking about, and then it makes me look good when I present that to my audience. It's continuing to stitch. It's giving me the first draft and polishing to the creator grade shine. It's punching up hooks and call to action. Well, ChatGPT doesn't do that. ChatGPT does give you one script all at once, bam, and that's it. But vidIQ shows you how it comes up with its concept. All right, so it's given me a title, the 30-second trick to keep viewers glued to your videos, and I love that. And then it has intro and hook. And the intro and the hook, what if I told you that you have less than eight seconds? See, ChatGPT said 30 seconds. This one said 8 seconds to grab someone's attention. Seriously, research shows the average time a viewer will give you before they even think about clicking away is a measly 8 seconds. And it gets worse, less. So here we go. When I click continue, here is the script in its entirety. And yeah, this is what I just read, the hook. And it goes on to give you deconstructing the perfect hook, the power of internal loops, section 3, your 30-second hook template. It starts with the problem. Well, ChatGPT did talk about starting with the pain. Then it agitate that problem. So it's making the problem look more ominous. And next, it introduces the solution. And finally, it creates promise and loop. It says, in this video, I'm going to show you my exact method or process, and you're going to want to stick around until the end because I'll also share the number one mistake that makes most people fail with this. And then it gives you the call to action and a conclusion. And what do you think so far? Let me know in the comment section because I am just stoked with this thing. I think this script is better. I would combine some of the things in ChatGPT into this one to make it longer. And listen to this. It gives you some suggestions on the side. It allows you to refine the script if you want right over here. And it gives you suggestions if you want to make it sound like Mr. Beast, if you want to shorten the script to under 3 minutes, or you want to use more analogies to simplify the complex parts of the video. And I would probably select that to to use to simplify the video because this is for a beginner, and sometimes a beginner might not even understand what clickbait is as it mentions down here. So I would click on this, and I am so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I don't sleep on ChatGPT. Please don't. Sorry, I mean VidIQ or ChatGPT for that matter. Don't sleep on any of these tools because you need them to level up your YouTube channel. And you can see how excited I am. I am really excited because it has made my journey, my YouTube journey, so much easier. All right, so we're gonna end this now. But before I do, I want you to I want to give you a free gift. Well, two free gifts: my free video planning guide to get you started, and my free viral video cheat sheet. Both of them are going to be, the link is going to be, it's one link. They're both in one document. And if you really want to level up and use these tools and other tools and use the things that I do to make my channel successful, I have over 47,300 subscribers, and I'm doing well. I'm talking fast because the video is too long, in my opinion, of course. And I am going to introduce you to two ebooks that I did. One is the YouTuber Creator Starter Kit, and the other one is How to Start a Successful Faceless Channel, because that's what I have on the True Travel Treasures. I have a Faceless channel, the one with the 47,000 subscribers. And so all these links are going to be in the description. Grab them, and I think the books will be at some point in the video where I timestamp them, so you can click on them. And if you are so inclined and you want to support my channel so I can bring you videos like this, please hit that super thanks button. It's below the video. I would certainly appreciate your kind gesture. Thank you in advance for doing so. And that's it for now. I hope you got some value from this. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for staying until the end, and I hope and wish you all the success for your channel. I know you can do this. You got this, but you need the tools. Click the link, the vidIQ link, and the ChatGPT link, and all the other links with all the other tools. See you in the next video. Take care now.